In the heart of Earth's untouched wilderness, ancient giants stand tall. They breathe life into the skies, shelter creatures of every kind, and hold secrets millions of years old. These giants are trees, and in the world's great forests, from the Amazon to the Congo, from the temperate woodlands of North America to the rainforests of Asia, life as we know it would not exist without them. This is the story of forest giants and the intricate living web that connects them to the animal kingdom. To the casual eye, a tree may seem like a simple stationary object. But in truth, trees are living, breathing ecosystems, each one home to thousands of species. Their roots stretch deep, anchoring the soil and absorbing minerals. Their trunks offer shelter, their branches a maze of highways for creatures big and small. And their leaves? Engines of photosynthesis, transforming sunlight into food and pumping oxygen into the air we breathe. In this delicate balance of nature, trees are more than just part of the forest. They are its foundation. Deep within the Amazon rainforest, one of Earth's most complex ecosystems thrives beneath an emerald ceiling. Here, towering kapok and Brazil nut trees form a vast canopy, so thick, the forest floor receives just 2% of the sunlight, and in the branches above, life bustles in every direction. Howler monkeys swing from limb to limb, feasting on young leaves and fruit. Bright macaws squawk and soar, cracking nuts with powerful beaks. Sloths, slow, deliberate, cling to bark as moss grows on their fur. Each animal has carved out its niche, relying on the forest not just for food, but for safety, mobility, and home. High in the canopy, some creatures may never touch the ground in their lifetime. Tree frogs hide in curled leaves to avoid predators. Flying squirrels glide between tree trunks, using flaps of skin like wings. And orangutans, in the rainforests of Borneo and Sumatra, build nests in treetops each night, weaving branches together with incredible dexterity. To them, the forest canopy is not just a roof, it is their world. Below the towering trees, a different community exists, adapted to darkness, moisture, and competition. Jaguars prowl the underbrush of the South American jungle, using low light to stalk prey. In Africa's Congo Basin, forest elephants quietly move between tree trunks, their paths shaping the forest over centuries. And in temperate forests, bears dig for roots beneath fallen leaves, while deer nibble on tender shoots sprouting from the forest edge. The floor is a place of danger and discovery, where the cycle of life begins again with each fallen fruit and dropped seed. But the relationship between trees and animals is not one-sided. In fact, many trees depend on animals just as much as animals rely on trees. Fruit-bearing trees like fig, mango, and durian provide meals for monkeys, bats, and birds. And when these animals move on, they carry seeds in their stomachs of fur, spreading new life across the forest. Squirrels bury nuts that later sprout into mighty oaks. Birds eat berries, then deposit seeds far from the parent plant. Even elephants, through their dung, plant entire groves of trees with each passing day. This is nature's quiet agreement. I feed you, and you help me grow. Beneath the soil lies a hidden world, more connected than we ever imagined. Through tiny fungal threads known as mycorrhizae, trees and plants form underground networks that connect entire forests. They trade nutrients, warn each other of insect attacks, and even nourish their young. Some scientists call it the Wood Wide Web. This network doesn't just connect trees, it also benefits animals. It enriches the soil, supports fungi that feed insects, and keeps the whole forest healthy for all who live above. Yet for all their resilience, these ancient giants face a growing threat. Every year, millions of trees are cut down for timber, agriculture, and development. Entire ecosystems vanish overnight, leaving animals homeless, starving, or extinct. In Madagascar, lemurs lose their treetop homes. In Indonesia, orangutans are pushed closer to extinction. In the Amazon, Fires rage through ancient forests, silencing bird calls, scattering jaguars, and choking the skies with smoke. When we lose a forest, we lose far more than trees. But nature, given the chance, is a powerful healer. Abandoned land can be reborn. Monkeys return, seeds sprout, birds rebuild nests, and insects revive the soil. In just 20 years, a barren patch can become a thriving jungle again. All it needs is time and protection. And it all begins with planting one tree. From the tiniest beetle to the mightiest eagle, from moss on bark to jaguars in the night, every creature has a place in the forest. And each tree stands not alone, but as part of a living, breathing community. The bond between animals and trees is older than history. It is silent, sacred, and essential. And now, more than ever, it must be preserved. Because when we protect the forest, we protect the future, not just for animals, but for ourselves. The giants of the forest have stood for centuries. They have watched life evolve, nurtured entire civilizations, and weathered storms we cannot imagine. Now they need us. Let us listen to the trees. Let us walk gently among their roots. And let us remember that we are not separate from nature. We are part of it. This is the story of the forest giants and the lives they carry in their shade.